Hi, this is Karen Elaine with Yasutomo, and today I'm going to do a watercolor painting using the semi-transparent matte watercolor set, Niji. It's 36 colors, brilliant colors. They re-wet very nicely. They're very unusual actually, a little bit different than a totally transparent watercolor. You can make transparent washes like here. I'm doing a background. They blend well, they mix well, and they are very transparent. But when you start working with them and you make them a little thicker, they're very almost opaque. So here I'm putting a wash to make a leaf shape, and then I'm going to use a more concentrated amount of the green and I notice it really is more opaque, and I see that when it dries to kind of a matte finish. And I don't know, I could say it's kind of a cross between a gouache and a watercolor. So this is a very unique watercolor, and I'm enjoying using it so far. I'm using 100% cotton paper as my surface, and I think that, of course, the nicer papers that you use, the better result you get. I don't see a lot of granulation in any of the colors so far, and I think it's a really interesting paint to work with. But when you wet it and you put the brush into the color, it's very concentrated, and I think that using a lot of water will give you the most success for this paint. I think it'd be great for doing all different types of techniques, similar to what gouache would do. But this, I'm trying to achieve a more traditional watercolor effect with this. And I really like the concentration that these colors will give. These watercolors are formulated to be used for children, students, and I think really a professional artist would also enjoy them. But what I think is wonderful about it is all the colors are already mixed for you, so you don't really need to make new colors. These colors are very nice when they dry. They kind of dry a lot lighter than when they first come down. Once the water evaporates, they dry a bit lighter, so you have to have that in mind when you're working with them. They really have an unusual look, and I'll show you as I proceed with this painting how interesting they look. I've never seen anything like it. So I'm going to paint, and I'm going to get close to finishing, and then I'll check back with you in a minute. These watercolors are an absolute delight to work with. I find them really, the final results very pleasing and really beautiful. And the best part is I can give this set to my children, grandchildren, and they could make wonderful paintings, and we can paint along together. So all levels of experience I believe, will enjoy this watercolor, and just see that's almost like a luminous, kind of a luminous color. And I think that this is a great set for just about anyone, and I think that you'll have the best of success in painting with these watercolors. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and this information about the Niji NWC 36 watercolor set. It is available at art supply stores, craft supply stores, online retailers. Just ask for Yasutomo Niji Watercolors, 36 colors. The item number is NWC 36. It's very reasonably priced, and you just can't go wrong with these. They're really fun to work with, and I can't wait to paint more with them. Well, we hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, product information, and other fun stuff using Yasutomo line of products. Go check out our webpage, our social media, and let's interact. I'd love to see what you paint with these watercolors. Tag NIJIWATERCOLORS on our Instagram page, and we look forward to seeing you. Have a creative day.